Meaning of humungous.
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 Humungous. Humungous is an informal adjective used to describe something that is extremely large or immense. The word is often used to emphasize the size of an object or situation beyond what would be considered normal or expected. It suggests a sense of awe or amazement at the vastness or magnitude of something. For example, a humongous wave might describe a monstrous wave in the ocean, or a humongous meal might refer to a massive amount of food. Overall, humongous connotes a sense of grandeur, enormity, and impressiveness.